Hello guys! Welcome to my channel, and today's video is going to be about Meticore, which is a weight loss supplement that changed my life, but I also almost lost $800 because I wasn't that patient and I got on some scam that I'm gonna talk you through. So basically, Meticore is a weight loss supplement that got a lot more popular recently, and it helped me, but before that I almost lost a lot of money. So what these scammers do is they make a fake website which looks exactly like the original website. And what I did a bit of research about Meticore, and then I saw a lot of videos on the internet of people talking about it and how it helped them change their life, their routine, their bodies and everything. So I was pretty sure I'm about to purchase a product, but then I saw an ad on Facebook, and the ad was with a 90% discount on this Meticore weight loss supplement. So I clicked on it, so who wouldn't click on that? And I put in my PayPal details and all my details, and then they just scammed me for $800 because and my PayPal account at that time were $800, and they took out and withdrawn all the money of my PayPal. And that wasn't pleasant at all, to be fair. And then obviously, as you can know, on PayPal you can open a dispute and say there was scammers and all of that. So yeah, but it takes a lot of time, and I thought I'm not gonna get my money back, but PayPal did a great job, and I did. But if you're paying with credit card, obviously you can't really get your money back. So yeah, that was the bad story. Here's why I linked the right link in the description down in this video for you guys not to get scammed like I did, which wasn't pleasant at all, to be fair, and I wouldn't ever recommend to anyone to go for these sales which say to be sales but actually are scammers. So yeah, make sure if you in the end of this video decide that you want to buy Meticore, make sure that you go and check out the link down below and buy it with that link, guys. Alright, so what is this Meticore about, and does it actually work? Meticore is a weight loss supplement based on natural product that has got no side effects. I didn't feel any side effects. So yeah, it's really natural and it helps your body naturally get rid of a fat. So how did I purchase it? After the scam, obviously, I still wanted to buy the product when I got my money back. So I went on to official website and bought the product, and that's the link that I left down below. So if you want to buy it, go buy the link. So yeah, then what happened? I was taking it for around 6 weeks, and in around 3 weeks, I think I got the right results, and I saw the obvious results on me, and the results were amazing. That's how I looked before and after. I finally felt my body feel good. And why I gained weight in the first place, I think because of the COVID, because after usually my workout, because I do work out a lot, obviously I was eating unnecessary food like everyone, I think, because COVID-19 really changed how my life routine is, and I gained a lot of unnecessary weight. So Meticore really came in my life at the right time, and it took me around 6 weeks. So the results are really different for all the people. I heard stories that help people more faster, but nothing like a natural results, because it's a natural product and it takes time. So if you're patient, it will help you out too. And honestly, I'm really grateful because I purchased it and decided to actually go for it, because it helped me get back to normal me, and that just makes me happy, right? So yeah, I bought the product of the official websites. And the third thing that I wanted to touch on is the fact that it doesn't give you any side effects, and it's 100% proven by a lot of people. So if you are looking for a legit solution that would help you, I think Meticore is a good one. And the delivery is really fast, and the money back guarantee is really fast. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I've tried a lot of other things before Meticore, and none of them were just this good, and none of them really helped me. Weight loss just was a waste of money in a way. So yeah, Meticore really did a great, amazing job, and I can't be more grateful about the fact that I have chosen to take it. But if you already decided that you want to buy it, make sure that you don't expect results in the 3 days or 4 days. It's a long-term game, and you have to stick to it and make sure you take the tablet every day so that the results will actually come. But yeah, also to avoid the scam, make sure that you use the link down below in the description, and make sure that you go only on this link, because I don't want you guys to be scammed, and I've never heard anyone talking about these scammers, and I just want to make you take the product and be safe and actually take it. So yeah, the link in the description of the alleged link that I ordered the product from, and I've lost 40 pounds with this amazing product in 6 weeks, which is, I mean, an amazing result. So yeah, if you want sort of similar results, check out the product, and I hope that this video gave you a better understanding of what Meticore is and whether you want to purchase it or you don't want to purchase it. So yeah, make sure you go in the link in the description if you decide to purchase it, because that's the only legit website that sells Meticore. None are legit besides this one. So yeah, make sure you keep yourself safe and use the right website. And thank you for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe also, so I will give you more often reviews on products and how you can not get scammed. So comment, like and subscribe please, guys, so more people will hear about this scam and more people will not get scammed by these bad people. Bye!